Network and cloud technology are directly related to each other. One cannot exist without the other. Putting knowledge into practice is very difficult if you don't have the resources or the opportunity to do so. My name is Luis de León. I specialize in networks and in cloud technology. I've been working with networks since 1985. When I started, the practice was something that I had to achieve on my own. And that's why we offered the opportunity to put that theory into practice. Technology is moving to the cloud quickly. Everything these days is in the cloud. A good example is Netflix. All the videos we watch are located in the cloud, and networking is the foundation for that. My classes are aimed at students who have basic knowledge of networks or who want to acquire that knowledge. They're also aimed at networking and cloud professionals that need the opportunity to put their knowledge into practice. We want to share these new technologies with you that offer the most job opportunities in the market. Atlantis University, change your present, love your future.